nice little Sunday, beautiful little Sunday. We outside just cruising. You feel me? Nice little POV video. I just want to have a little moment to try to talk to some of y'all, throw a little couple ideas out there, bitch, and see how they bit go. So as you can see, right next to mine, I got a big 61mm turbo from Precision Turbo. I got two of them bitches. I just did a couple TikToks with a couple reels, you feel me, for the post that. Y'all finna see those real soon. Well, actually, y'all gonna see those shits before y'all even see this video, I think. Cause I'm double uploading today on Sunday, you feel me? So I got two POVs coming out today, plus the TikToks and the reels that I just did. But y'all should see the TikToks first before y'all see this video, but you know what I mean, dude. But yeah, so this nigga going slow as hell, and it's, oh, Sheriff. Oh, Sheriff. He finna come right behind me too. I guarantee you he comes right behind me. I guarantee you he comes right behind mine, cuz. What I was saying? But yeah, like I was saying though, nice little discussion, see we pop a little ideas here and there. But okay, so I got two turbos. So of course it's gonna be a turbo build instead of going supercharged like everybody else, or pro charge. I've seen a couple people go pro charger and shit. But this right here, it's gonna be a twin turbo Hemi build. Feel me? So with it being a twin turbo Hemi build, I gotta find a place where I wanna mount the actual turbos to begin with. So I can either mount these bitches in the hood up top, you hear me? Or I can mount them the traditional way, well, that I've seen at least, which is like a mid-mount, like right around here where I'm sitting, under my car, right where my header's at. You feel me? There's a lot of pre-made kits for that. There's the On3 kit, there's the Hellion kit, you feel me? So there's options I can just go buy off the shelf. But if I want it to be inside the hood or inside the bumper, man, that shit gonna be a custom built kit. In all the shops, well, not all, some of the shops I done spoke to, they were like, we can't do it, I only specialize with this. The shops near me, ooh, shit, but that be sounding good. The shops near me ain't Hemi specialized shop from what they telling me, so they don't want to do it. I did find two shops, feel me? One shop is in Miami, so I could take that little 1 hour with 30 minute drive, which I don't got a problem with. I've been speaking with them pretty consistently, so I do think I'm gonna go that direction. And then the other fucking shop I've been talking to, I do gotta stop cussing too. I do gotta stop cussing a little bit on her, because I am finna be monetized, and we about to hit 10K. We about to be monetized, and we're almost at 10K subscribers, man. I think we're like 1,100 away, or at this time of recording, like, yeah, 1,100 watch hours away from being monetized, and then from being 10K subscribers, I'm like 800 and 700, one or the other. But the shops that I do have been talking to, and the ones that are willing to do it, it's gonna be custom, but I don't know how much they're gonna charge yet, you feel me? I got a specific budget for the build, you feel me? I done thrown money already at this bitch for like appearance mods, as you can see, the interior, the outerior, you feel me? So I have thrown some money at it. So, but I do have a specific budget that I want to stay inside the limits of, so I don't just like throw, because after this car is finished, I am getting another car. After this car is finished, I'm getting another car, and I was gonna start another build, you feel me? I like building cars. Newfound hobby, expensive ass hobby, but shit, newfound hobby. So I'm trying to stay inside the budget. Right now, it's looking like I'm gonna go On3. The On3 kit is like $4,000, $3,000, $4,000, a lot of options I picked out for it. So I'm comfortable paying that. The Hellion kit, it comes with everything you need. The Hellion kit comes with everything you need. I already talked to the sales manager, everything. He knows that I have my own turbos already. So he gave me like a discount code to take off their turbos and to put the Precision turbos I got. As long as like a T4 fitting, it'll fit right. It'll fit like right on the bitch. I already talked to him and shit. But that shit, it comes with everything. But it's like $7,000, $7,000 something dollars and some change. Well, not some change, because that shit is expensive as hell, but it would come with everything. So right now, my two options that I know for a fact would be On3 or Hellion, you feel me? Or right now, what I'm like contemplating on, going to Miami and going to this other shop, and trying to see how much exactly they're going to charge to make the kit, put on the kit, and turbo the kit. Well, tune the kit. I don't know why I said turbo, but you feel me? Because if it's going to be cheaper to go with them, then cool. I'll go with the custom kit. I'll get it exactly how I want it. I'll get it through the hood and shit. Feel me? But if it doesn't beat, because look, put it in perspective, right? If I get like an on-3 kit, which is like, with all the options that I picked out, it's going to be like $4,000, $3,000, right? So if I get the on-3 kit, that's like $3,000, $4,000. Then it's $1,100 for tuning. I already talked to people that I'm going to get tuned by. I know how much it is going to be for tuning. It's gonna be $1,100 something, right? Give or take. For like the access cord, the custom dyno tune, all that, it's gonna be $1,000 something. All right, cool. I'm comfortable paying that. So $3,000 something for the actual turbo kit. I already got the turbos. $1,000 for the actual tune, and then the assembly. I don't know how that's gonna be. That's another thing. I gotta see how much they're gonna want to assemble the damn on-3 kit or the alien kit. You feel me? But if I go custom turbo kit, right? Let's say I go custom turbo kit. I don't know how much all that shit's gonna cost altogether. They might charge me $6,000 or $5,000 to build a custom turbo kit that I want, right? And then they're gonna charge me like, who knows, $2,000 to fucking install the kit, and then another, who knows how much amount to tune it. You feel me? They gotta unlock my PCM, because my PCM's still locked. They gotta do all that shit. So I'm trying to weigh up my options before I put a gun, because this for sure gonna get done before my birthday. I'm born December 19th. This shit's gonna be done before my birthday. It gotta be. Ain't no fucking way this car not gonna be done before my birthday, girl. You feel me? Unless like some catastrophic happens and I don't get this car done before my birthday, but like if everything goes smoothly and normally how it is right now, everything's gonna be done before my birthday. Or at least by my birthday type shit. So, feel me? I'm just throwing a little couple ideas out there, you feel me? A little whoop-de-whoops, little whoop-de-whoop. You feel me? Like, what y'all think? You feel me? Comment down below what specific y'all think I should use. Should I get the on-3 kit, which is $3,000, $4,000? Or should I get the Hellion kit that comes with absolutely everything, like everything plus a warranty, which is gonna be like $7,000? Or should I go, you know, take that drive, see how much they want for the actual custom front mounted kit? But that's the little questions I had coming up. I am finna take this thumbnail though, because I don't got a thumbnail made for this video yet. Hold on. Alright, cool. Have to take that fucking thumbnail. But, feel me? It's a nice little Sunday. I'm yapping my ass off. I just want to get everybody, like, little thoughts, tidbits on the matter. Feel me? I would greatly appreciate you comment down below. What would you personally do? Would you feel me, get the, because I know exactly how much damn on-3 kit is going to cost me in total to put on, tune, and all that shit. To get installed, to get delivered to my house, and tune. I know exactly how much it's going to cost. Roughly, it's going to cost me a clean $6,000. Roughly. You feel me? If I go Hellion, that shit's going to cost my a clean maybe 10. Or if I go custom, it might cost me less than all of them. I don't know. I got a shop already in Miami. That's the shop I've been talking to the most consistent. I just said that, you feel me? So that's basically the shop I'm gonna go to. I've been talking to them, I think, every single 2 weeks. I ask them questions. They're very helpful and shit. They're used to working on Hemis. They already have a Hemi, a turbo track out. They got a twin turbo track out. You feel me? And I think they got roughly the same amount of turbos that I got. I don't know what their size is, but it's about the same as my shit. So I know we're in the same ballpark. They already assured me that they know what they're gonna do with it. I just don't know how much they're gonna charge. I gotta physically go there to see how much they're gonna charge, and I've been procrastinating like a motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. I have been procrastinating. I have not been wanting to drive from where I live at to fucking Miami. I really haven't, man. Really haven't, but I think I'm gonna take that drive, like, maybe next week. Maybe next week I go to Miami. I'll see. Feel me? It would have been a good time for me to go to Miami like this weekend. But like I said, I've been cozy in my bed, playing 2K, editing video. Oh yeah, I appreciate everybody that dropped a like, commented, and watched my last 2 videos. Where y'all got them videos to almost 1,000 views in less than 24 hours, cuz. I think it was like on the 48-hour mark, them bitches were damn near touching 1,000 views. Feel me? I appreciate everybody watching them bitches. You feel me? Them bitches, yeah. And then another thing I do appreciate everybody for, I got the best video on my channel so far right now is at 12,000 views, and it's about to be at 13K views. That video's from like 7 months ago. I appreciate everybody for watching that shit. I really do. Because the video before that, it was at 10,000 views. 10,000 about to be 11K views. But that was like the first video I ever dropped. It was like a big ass, whatchamacallit? It was a big ass vlog of me going to Daytona when I first got my car. Feel me? It was with the guys and shit, Keon, Sherman. Feel me? I think Chetan was in that bid. My homegirl Sanai was in that bid. Who else in that bid? JJ was in that mug. You feel me? Like, it was just a big ass video, cuz. So I do appreciate everybody for getting that video to as much as it's at right now. More videos like that to come. So hopefully I keep breaking numbers, keep breaking my numbers on my channel. You feel me? We're real close to being goddamn monetized. I'm talking about, I'm at the last scratch of the race car for me to be monetized, and I can just feel it, man. Like, I can just taste that shit. But as it, I don't know if a lot of people know that shit, but like YouTube, the way that YouTube works, car, every single year or some shit like that, so you have like 36 days to get monetized, right? You lose watch hours if you don't know that. So I started YouTube a year and 6 months ago, right? So majority of the views I got a year and 6 months ago, you feel me? For example, let's say a year ago this month, right? All the watch hours from a year ago this month that I got last year disappeared off my channel already. They're gone. So like all the viewership that I got right now is from this year. And this year, which is like by 2026, January, that's gonna be my second official year doing YouTube. So I'm losing views and I'm also gaining views. The reason I'm like hella fucking proud is like the fact of I'm posting consistently, getting better at editing, getting more content, being more entertaining, the car looking better, people loving the shit. And also, I'm afraid that shit's gonna fall. Man, I think that shit gonna fall, boy. But it's tripping. But like I was saying, though, just to goddamn wrap everything up, stop yapping and shit. Appreciate everybody for all the likes, comments, subscribes, all the views. Everybody that's consistently watching my content, commenting, feel me? And I also do got a giveaway coming in, twinsies. I do got a giveaway coming up, and that giveaway is gonna be after I put my kit on. I'm not gonna say what's in the giveaway, but it's gonna be a giveaway. Comment down below what route should I take for the turbos. Other than that, I'm finna end it right here. My phone's finna die. I'm just yapping my ass off. Hopefully your weekend been good. And put some condoms on before you get burnt.